Welcome to Motominion. Our mission is to connect motorcycle buyers with the bikes that best fit their needs and with the dealers that sell them. Get personalized matches, prepare a short list, and then contact dealers using our intuitive platform for the modern consumer. Let's go for a quick tour. Buyers begin by answering a few simple questions about what they're looking for. From style to manufacturer, from price to mileage, our survey covers most aspects of the purchasing decision. From the consumer's preferences, Motominion mixes and matches to find the perfect combination of style, price, mileage, and features. Bikes are grouped into what best fits the buyer's needs. For example, interested in quality motorcycles that go only slightly over budget? Select Pay a bit more. From here, consumers are able to view the motorcycles that most interest them, along with a map containing the location of each bike. No more wondering if that cruiser is across state lines or simply a few miles away. Motominion uses an interactive listing page to showcase each bike. Buyers are able to view specifications, photographs, and even dealer reviews. When ready to make an inquiry, consumers select the dealership associate that they would like to work with. Then, they submit any questions using Motominion's smart messaging system. When you've decided on the right motorcycle, use Motominion's end-to-end e-commerce solution to structure a deal on your own terms. Fill out your information and select any F&I products that you're interested in purchasing. Your details will be forwarded to the dealership and your bike prepared for pickup. Weekend, holiday, it no longer matters. The shop is always open. If you've been eyeing a sport bike but aren't yet ready to commit, we handle that too. Simply add it to your shortlist so that you can compare later. Here, we keep the bikes you like, the bikes you love, and any test drives that you've scheduled. Before we end our tour, we'll visit Motominion's advice section. Here, we empower your dealership to build an online social presence, offer support by participating in community discussions, interact with bike clubs by connecting locally, and connect with motorcycle enthusiasts in our Bikes and Coffee section. More productive, more transparent, more efficient. That's Motominion.